Welcome to Aliran Ads, and today I will present you one of the case studies. 1 week of Facebook ad and page category is pets. Objective was a lot of messages. So today is October 17, 2022, and let me go to the ad manager. Just wait. So this is my personal ad account. Let me go to client ad account. It's Ramesh Stock Center, and let me filter this one. Date 10 to 17 October. So around 10 days left for Diwali. So actually, see, as you can see, completed, and that is today, October 17, 2022, 10 a.m. So total amount spent is 14.68. Yes, and CPC, cost per result, is 0.13. So per result is, you can see, CPR, cost per result is 0.13, and we have impression, so 94,000 something. Paste it here, and we have reach. What else we need? And here we have actually result. So if you hover here, it says messaging conversation started, which is 117. So yeah. And for link clicks, new messages, I have to generate custom reports. So for that, just click here, reports, and click on create custom report. And no, I don't want head delivery. Just click here and click on delivery, click on again delivery, and let's say completed. Yeah. And yeah, and let me Diwali 1 video ads. So it was actually video ads, so I don't want this one. Let me remove this one. So this one. To get link clicks and new messages, just go to metrics, and you can check link clicks. What is new message connection, and what else I want for link clicks. Let me go up. Here it is, link clicks. And as you can see, total link clicks is 657, and CPC, cost per result, is 0.13, and let's see cost per click. So this one, which is 0.02, and total new message in connection, the number of people your business added as messaging connection, so which is 112 new messages. Actually these are the new customers. Okay, link click CPC, and this is, so these are the overall results as you can see of 1 weeks of video ads. Page category is pets. So now let me download this, export, and let me save it also. So yeah, as you can see it supports, so click on save. Saving, yeah, it's saved. Now let's go to ad manager. And let me show you the ad. Let me show you the ad. As you can see, it's the campaign name. This is ad set. Daily budget was 2.1, and as you can see, started, ended. This is actually automated message. And you can see expected links and which, and these are the video ads. See, so yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, and I will bring more and more case studies. So yeah, be in touch with me. Thanks for watching.